seagull. Really thought that bird, Daddy, is good.
Still have to do that. Okay.
They're fighting over it.
Yeah, more and more of them are going to come. You watch, there's going to be a lot of seagulls.
I love seagulls. They're fun to watch.
Aren't they cool?
Sometimes people will make a pet out of them. I found red.
Aren't they pretty? They fly slow too, don't they?
So you could easily catch one.
They have big wings, so they can fly slow. See, if you have small wings, you have to fly fast.
Yeah, like that.
Right, but if you have big wings, you can just go.
Well, if you have small wings, then you do it slow, you'll fall to the ground. If you have big wings, you do it fast, you'll fall to the ground.
So now,
Look
see?
at all the seagulls.
I know, right? That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah, you're circling out saying, I want this bread. No, all this mine.
They love food.
They're chasing each other. They're saying, no, this is all mine. Go away, you pussy. Look at all these seagulls.
I know.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Pretty cool, huh?
5 seagulls. Seagulls are kind of fast. So you couldn't catch one.
What are you doing, Katie? Talk to him.
Hello, I want some seagulls.
Look, a crow. The black one is a crow.
Whoa, and it ate the...
He got a piece of bread, didn't he? And look, there goes the seagull with a piece.
And look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 birds. They are running.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah, I want to do this all day. They'll be flying around and they're going to be like, look at all of them. They all want it.
That was a lot of birds.
Yeah, look, that one even wants, so it's flying our way.
I'm surprised to see the crow here. He's kind of funny. Seagulls I expected, but the crow I didn't.
Seagulls what expected? Come get your invitation, birdies!
Here, get a drink.
Whoa! There's so many birds. And there's so much pieces of bread. Look! More birds! They're flying!